Rudy, are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm always ready.
Mom's ready. Her hair is kind of in her thing. We're going on Navi's River bike, like adventure thing. But yeah. Can't really see anything. There's Rudy's right next to me. Mom's on the other side. The whole moon. They have it. It's an avatar. The whole moon is strong. The whole moon. We're on safari. We're about to see a bunch of animals. I saw 2 elephants on like a sign. And then, okay, did you see this or I saw this? So when they were showing the screen, they were like, here are the animals. And then I saw 2 lions humping.
Oh, I didn't see it. I didn't watch it.
They did. I was like, that's not very child friendly of Disney. But okay. They're going on a safari. Might as well now. I didn't hear what was before it. I just look up and they're like on top of each other. And I was like, I did not need to see that today.
Also have a prehensile tongue, which means finger-like, helps them to be able to grab their food, as well as self-groom, as it can reach their eyes and ears.
I got that on video, Mom.
To get their food as their browsers, meaning they eat from plants and shrubs. Back in 2015, there were only about 5,000 black rhinos left. Thanks to conservation efforts, those numbers have since doubled. All the way in the back, there are some bongos. Bongos are nicknamed the ghost of the forest. Both the male and female bongos have horns. You can tell them apart because the males are darker in color than the females. But the greater kudus, only the males have horns, therefore all 3 of them are females, which makes sense because they are typically found in single gender groups. Both the bongos and greater kudus have those white stripes on their backs, which help them to blend in with the sun rays that shine through the trees. On the left are some saddle-billed storks. They get their name from that yellow marking on their bill, which is in the shape of a saddle. Their wingspan can get up to 9 feet wide, which is as wide as the canopy above your head. Birds are notorious for their size, as they can get up to 5,000 pounds, which is as much as a car. Over to the left is going to be a bloat of hippos. That's what a group of them is called.
They're chilling underwater because it's so hot.
The word hippopotamus means river horse. They get this name because although they can swim, they prefer walking or running alongside the bottom.
Where?
No, I mean, it looks like a man.
Oh my gosh. Gator.
Or a crocodile.
On the left are some Nile crocodiles. Nile crocodiles have little bony plates on their backs. These bony plates are called osteoderms. They act as an armor, helping protect them as well as helps them to maintain their body temperature. On the right hand side are some wildebeest. Wildebeest is an Afrikaans word meaning wild beast. They're also nicknamed gnu, spelled G-N-U. That is because that is the sound that they make. Wildebeest are a migratory animal. They'll migrate in groups of thousands at a time. They can migrate between 500 to 1,000 miles each year. On the right-hand side is a springbok. Springboks get their name from their ability to spring 6 to 8 feet straight up in the air, 13 feet across. They're one of the top 10 fastest land animals, reaching speeds up to 60 miles per hour.
The director of Jurassic
White
Park.
rhinos are the most social of the 5 rhino species, so oftentimes you will
Hey,
see them
bro.
in small groups. A group of them is called a crash. In front of us as well is an ostrich. Ostriches are the largest flightless bird. They can get up to 9 feet tall. They're also the fastest flightless bird, running speeds up to 43 miles per hour.
I look at those where mice from.
Land animal. Males get up to 13,000 pounds, while females average about 8,000. Only sleep about 30 minutes a day.
Mom,
Do
give
this
him
by
a kiss.
taking a bunch of power naps throughout. So they'll spend most of their days eating. They can eat up to 20 hours each day.
Give him a kiss, Mom.
Is that rabbit? I'm black.
Giraffes have a very large. Lions have very acute hearing. They'll rotate their ears around in order to better detect their prey. Oftentimes you'll see them chasing after each other or headbutting. Those are their play behaviors. They were first domesticated in Africa, but are now found all over the world as a dairy goat.
Look at this.
From all the rain. And ocean. Whoa, white
On
flamingo.
the left are some greater flamingos. When they hatch, they are a whitish gray color. As they get older, typically around the age of 2 is when they get that pink coloration. This is due to their diet. So their diets consist of brine shrimp. Brine shrimp has beta carotene in it, and that beta carotene is what gives them the pink coloration.
Abandoned mom. Hey Rudy, you ready?
I'm always ready.
We abandoned mom to go explore shops and whatever she wants to do. And we're gonna go on the Rapids. And an update. I want to see if we can find someone to braid my hair before we leave, but highly unlikely probably. Whole lot of cameras. I want them all. If only I had that much film. Ready, Rudy? We're going on Rapids. I don't know where to put my phone to not get it super wet. But hopefully I can stick it in like a thing in the front, middle thing. Sometimes those are already wet. But it's fine. After this we're going to
What are you gonna do with
Dinosaur.
your hat?
Hold it.
Huh? Are you gonna
Put
hold
it on my head.
Okay.
My head is probably not going to get that wet.
No, I was wondering. Yeah. I was wondering if bamboo is.
It should be fine. Ugh. Not that wet. Dinosaur! Rexy! We found Mom, but we are going. Do we see her? Where did she go? I did not see her. Is she back here? I don't know where she's at. I think she might be in a store. But yeah, we're gonna go find her. Bye.
I've been 200 now.
I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period. It stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures. I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rollers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Oh. I think he's... I think he's crashing out over something. Look at the train. This is a 10 times better room than the other room. And the bed is huge, and there's room up there, and it looks like I have a fan. Maybe someone knocked, I don't know. No one knocked. But yeah, we're ready, and we're setting off in the bougie car. And it has a bathroom. Its bathroom is in here. Oops, I unplugged my phone. The video can't tell how heavy this bag is. Good morning. Not even morning, it's like 1, 2. Yeah, so we were supposed to arrive at 2:30. But we're arriving at 5 o'clock instead. She's gonna check if it's changed. We just had like an earth-shattering event of like these two cups flipped over. My Coke flipped over on the bed. I put my blanket over it so I don't have to lay on it. And then like, I think my backpack is like on the verge of falling on my head. What? Oh, really? But yeah, so originally I was gonna be like, oh, I just won't record because we're not gonna even be awake that long. And now we are checking what time we're gonna arrive. Did you tell Sister Stoll? What time does it say? 5:15. At this point, I'm not even gonna make ice skating. Yeah, oh my gosh. 5:15. There's no aggressive move. Time.
When you and Emma were spinning around us, you were
walking. Yeah, but faster. Oh. Yeah. That's okay.